Two popular streaming platforms. One big question. Which one really delivers? Hulu or Roku Channel? On the left, Hulu. Premium streaming packed with originals and live TV. And on the right, Roku Channel. Free live TV and movies with zero subscription needed. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, so here's a bird's eye view of what we're comparing. Price, content library, live TV features, ease of use, video quality, and, best four. Stick with me, because if you care about any one of these, the answer changes big time. First up, price. All right, let's talk about Hulu. They do have an ad-supported plan, so you don't have to go broke, and you can even tack on live TV with the cloud DVR. But here's the kicker. Most of their fancy content is locked behind a paid subscription. Oh, and if you're looking for free live TV on Hulu, just stop right there. Doesn't exist. Now, on to the Roku Channel. It's like Free City. Seriously, there's no sign-up required, and most content is ad-free. Huge pro. But don't expect all the latest premium stuff. And when you get to movies, you might see a few more ads. Still, for $0, not bad. So for price, can you beat free? Roku Channel takes it. Let's move on to content library. Hulu is no joke. There's over 2,000 movies, more than 1,000 TV shows, and here's something cool. Hulu Originals, the Disney Bundle, ESPN+, it's all baked in. Of course, if you don't pay, your selection drops off a cliff. But the variety for subscribers? Crazy. Now, Roku Channel. You get 350 plus free live TV channels, plus access to Roku Originals and some major network stuff. But if you're looking for those must-see exclusives, they're not really here. And the on-demand catalog? Smaller compared to Hulu. Bottom line, for sheer content, Hulu snags the win. Okay, now let's talk live TV. Hulu's got 95 plus channels with their live TV package, and you even get cloud DVR. Anywhere from 50 to 200 hours of recording. Nice for binge watchers. Downside? You guessed it, paid subscription. And still, no free live TV. Switching gears to Roku Channel, this is wild. It packs 350 plus live channels totally free, like CNN, NBC, ABC, and more. You just click and go. But there's a catch. No DVR. Can't pause or rewind. It's live life as it happens. So, for sheer access and the fact it's totally free, Roku Channel surprisingly wins here. Oh, and speaking of free, did you know Roku Channel drops 350 plus live TV channels right in your lap? No subscription. You just pick and watch. That's kind of insane for 2025, isn't it? Up next, ease of use. Hulu gives you personalized profiles, and for some channels, you get East and West Coast feeds. Pretty neat. But honestly, sometimes their interface just slows to a crawl, especially when you load up live TV. Now, the Roku Channel. This one's super simple. Like you can teach your grandma in under 5 minutes. And it's plug and play on Roku devices. Downside? Not a ton of customization. So what you see is what you get. Still, for simple, stress-free binging, Roku Channel comes out ahead. Next, video quality. Hulu lets you stream select content in glorious 4K. Plus, HD and HDR are in the mix, so if you've got a good device, it looks fantastic. Some stuff depends on your gear, though. Roku Channel rolls out smooth 1080p streaming, and their adaptive bitrate keeps it steady, especially on Roku gadgets. Sometimes, though, if your internet's slow, you'll see a dip to 720p. For top-tier resolution, Hulu edges out the win. Last up. Best 4. Who should actually pick which? Hulu. If you want to stream a ton, are obsessed with sports, or you're diving into the Disney bundle and don't mind paying, then this is definitely for you. It's not really a budget pick, though. Roku Channel is perfect for cord cutters, families wanting a ton of free options, or anyone just sick of monthly bills. No exclusive originals or a killer sports lineup, but you get a home run on free content. Honestly, it's a toss-up for this category. It depends on your vibe, so this one's a tie. So before we jump to final thoughts, here's a quick visual. Side by side, you can see Hulu crushes it on premium features and content, but the Roku Channel just kinda sweeps the board for price, ease, and live TV. See where your priorities line up. So here's my take. If you want premium shows, epic originals, and live sports all in one spot, and you're cool with paying for it, Hulu is your best bet. But if you're just after free, instant access to channels and movies, no-brainer. Roku Channel gets the nod. I'd say pick the one that vibes most with how you actually watch TV. Did this help you decide? If so, hit subscribe and stick around for more streaming showdowns. You do not want to miss the next.